Okay, so today we're going to be figuring out Martha's granola recipe. Her recipe needs 1.5 cups of oats per batch, but today she's making 2.5 batches of granola. So how many cups of oats will she need for her 2.5 batches? So what we know is that Martha wants to make 2.5 batches, and to make one batch, she needs 1.5 cups of oats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this problem to a number line to figure out how many cups she's going to need for her 2.5 batches. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at 0 and we're going to show 1.5 cups. That makes our first batch. Then we're going to add another 1.5 cups to make our second batch. So now we have 2 batches, but Martha needs 2.5 batches. So we need to figure out how many cups of oats is going to go into her half batch. So since we know that 1.5 cups of oats makes one batch, but she only needs 1/2 of a batch left, we need to figure out half of 1.5 to go into that half batch. So what we're going to do down here on the number line is we're going to add a third batch . So that we can break that third batch in half. So by doing that, I'm going to break 1.5 into fourths. So what we need here is to find how many fourths are in 1.5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fourths in this third batch. So 6 fourths, half of that is going to be 3/4. 1, 2, 3/4. Which now gives us our half batch. So we have 1 cup, 2 cups, and then because there's halves, we have a 1/2 cup and a 1/2 cup. We have 2 half cups, which gives us a third cup. And then we have our 3/4. So we have 1, 2, 3 cups and 3/4 of a cup to give us 3 3/4 cups of oats needed for her 2.5 batches.